Welcome to Ali. Today we're diving into one of the most common frustrations of the digital age: slow Wi-Fi speeds. Whether you're trying to work, stream your favorite shows, or play online games, a fast and reliable Wi-Fi connection is essential. In this video, we'll explore 10 practical tips to help you turbocharge your Wi-Fi speed and say goodbye to buffering and lag once and for all. Alright, first things first. We need to know what we're working with. Before we start tweaking things, let's run a speed test using a site like ooklasspeedtest.net or fast.com. This will give you a baseline to compare against as you implement these tips. You'll want to note down your download and upload speeds as well as your ping, which measures latency. Trust me, knowing these numbers is crucial. Your router's location can dramatically impact your Wi-Fi coverage. Ideally, you want it in a central location, free from obstructions like walls, furniture, and appliances. You know, the usual suspects that can interfere with those precious radio waves. Elevating your router can also make a difference, so try placing it on a shelf or a high table. It's all about getting those signals out there. Firmware updates are like gold for your router. Manufacturers are constantly releasing updates to improve performance, fix bugs, and enhance security. Check your router manufacturer's website or the router's interface for the latest firmware version. It's a quick process, and it can make a world of difference. Think of it like giving your router a much-needed tune-up. Wi-Fi operates on different channels, and some channels might be more congested than others, especially if you live in an apartment building or a densely populated area. You can use a Wi-Fi analyzer app on your smartphone or laptop to identify the least congested channels in your area. Switching to a less crowded channel can significantly improve your Wi-Fi speed and stability. It's like finding a clear lane on a busy highway. Every device connected to your Wi-Fi network consumes bandwidth. If you have a ton of devices connected simultaneously, it can bog down your network. Try disconnecting devices you're not actively using. Also, keep an eye out for any devices that might be hogging bandwidth in the background, like those sneaky software updates. You might be surprised at what's sucking up your precious internet juice. If you're still rocking an ancient router, it might be time for an upgrade. Newer routers come with the latest Wi-Fi standards, offering faster speeds, better range, and advanced features like MU-MIMO, multi-user, multiple input, multiple output. Think of it as upgrading from a horse and buggy to a Tesla. It's a worthwhile investment if you're serious about your Wi-Fi performance. For devices that require a rock-solid connection, like gaming PCs or smart TVs, nothing beats a wired Ethernet connection. It's faster, more stable, and less prone to interference than Wi-Fi. So, if possible, connect those bandwidth-hungry devices directly to your router with an Ethernet cable. It's the ultimate solution for lag-free gaming and seamless streaming. If you have a large home or dead zones where the Wi-Fi signal is weak, a Wi-Fi extender or mesh system can help boost coverage. Extenders amplify the existing Wi-Fi signal while mesh systems create a seamless network with multiple access points. It's like having a network of Wi-Fi superheroes working together to deliver super-fast internet throughout your home. Many routers offer quality of service (QoS) settings that allow you to prioritize bandwidth for specific devices or activities. For example, you can prioritize gaming traffic over other internet traffic to ensure a smooth gaming experience. It's like having a VIP lane for your most important internet tasks. Last but not least, make sure your Wi-Fi network is secure. Use a strong password and enable WPA2 or WPA3 encryption. This will prevent unauthorized access and ensure that you're not sharing your precious bandwidth with any unwanted guests. You don't want your neighbors streaming 4K movies on your dime, do you? So, there you have it, folks. 10 tips to boost your Wi-Fi speed and banish buffering for good. Remember, a fast and reliable internet connection is essential in today's digital world. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to a seamless online experience. And hey, if you have any other tips or tricks, drop them in the comments below. I'm always up for learning new ways to optimize my setup. Thanks for watching.